save or invest in 5 years. When you have a clear target, it becomes easier to plan your income, savings, and investments. Goals give direction to your financial journey. Saving money regularly help your money grow faster than regular savings. Over 5 years, consistent investments can create significant financial growth. One of the most powerful ways to grow money is compound growth. This means your money earns returns, and those returns start earning more returns. Over time, compounding can turn small investments into large wealth. The earlier you start, the greater the benefit. Another smart way to grow your money is by increasing your income sources. Besides your main job, you can start a side business, freelancing, or online work. Multiple income streams give you more money to save and invest, helping your wealth grow faster. Controlling spending is just as important as earning money. Many people lose financial growth because of unnecessary purchases.